on your property.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode. This video comes to us from Why Recording is Necessary. Definitely go check them out. This is a new Arizona channel that I personally have been going out with. You're definitely going to enjoy this one. I think he got some of the best footage of the night. This cop just can't help but make a fool of himself in front of the camera. Where do they find these guys at?
Circle K doesn't want you to go on property.
Name your name and badge number?
Yep, right there.
Is that what you say to a judge?
Nope, you can look, you can read it.
Badge number?
22649.
Have a nice evening.
So this video is from the most recent one that I posted, except it's his angle. So you're going to want to watch this twice. There's something happening in the background, and then this guy's making a fool of himself. The guy in the background is claiming that he didn't do anything wrong, and this guy in the front is trying to block what's happening in the back. Watch it twice and check it out.
Sir, you're violating my First Amendment right. Just so you know, it's protected by the Supreme Court.
That's part. That's part. That's part.
So then get out of my way.
I remember when I was young and my body was going through changes and my voice would crack when I tried to sound like a man too.
You're
impeding.
I am trying to
I am officially
protect
recording.
my officers right
I am
now.
recording in an
That's
official
fine.
capacity
Me too.
to document you.
Did you catch that? He's protecting his officers from the guy with the camera. What a clown.
Okay, that's good for you.
So if he's saying that you're violating his rights, I'm listening to him.
Okay. You have nothing else better to do. Trying to be like Spitting Cobra.
Definitely go subscribe to Slippin Cobra Copwatch and let them know why recording is necessary and Direct D sent you.
So making sure you're doing your job is nothing better to do?
I am doing my job. I have people watching me. People watching me.
Those always show up, right?
Huh?
Those never go missing?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. You can find out. I'm sure you know.
I do. That's why we're here.
Just like your whole posse.
So we're here to protect Americans.
To protect your whole posse.
Protect Americans?
One shows up, another one shows up.
Huh. So
You guys have nothing else better to do.
You call that a posse?
Yeah.
So then what do you call yourself?
I'm an officer.
Huh. One shows up, others show up. You just said that that was a posse.
You guys show up for
You
us.
said that.
You guys show up
said
for
that.
us.
Because we have a right to.
You guys try to be like Spitting
We
Cobra.
have a right.
You know, I'm starting to think maybe he's got a little bit of a feeling towards Slippin Cobra there. Can't tell if it's positive or negative, but he definitely likes him. This guy is camera magic. I can't wait to run into him again.
You guys try to be like Spitting Cobra.
We have a right.
You guys try to be like Spitting
We
Cobra.
have a right to.
You guys
Why
try
are
to
you
be
so
like-
upset about it?
I'm not. I think it's funny. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just trying to watch you guys at. Trying to watch you guys at. Trying to watch you guys at.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Did you catch him just cop-splaying to his sergeant and the look of embarrassment across the sergeant's face?
Well, this guy made a good joke of himself.
He sure did that. Definitely go subscribe to Why Recording is Necessary. I've seen some of his unpublished footage, and I think you're really going to like it when it goes up. Peace!